Hey Zach and Jesse, this is Travis Romine at the Temecula Supercharger in Southern California. This is a 10 stall supercharger. It's on the third level of the parking lot at the Promenade Mall in Temecula. It's an indoor-outdoor mall, has lots of restaurants and shops to look at. We have a Edward Cinemas IMAX to watch a movie. We have Lucille's Barbecue. And we also have Red Robin. Yum! And inside the mall, we have a huge food court with tons of different restaurants for you to choose from. Panda Express, gotta love hot dog on a stick. And also an outside mall. So inside outdoor mall, if the weather's nice, lots of different shops to choose from. We also have a really big and nice Apple store. Lots of other Williams-Sonoma stores to choose from. And one of my favorites, Yard House. Really good food there. And also, we have a nice brand new cheesecake factory. There are two parking structures. The east side parking structure on the third level is where the superchargers are. If it's really crowded and you're driving up to the third level, it's going to be kind of hard to get up there. There's people and cars and shoppers, so driving all the way up there can be hectic, so get there early. But once you get to the top, you'll notice there's 10 superchargers. These are 120 kilowatt chargers. As far as rating this supercharger location, it is really close to the freeway, but a little difficult to get to as far as traffic and getting to the third level of the parking structure. It only has 10 superchargers, which get full at this location, but the shopping, food, and restrooms are amazing. So this location, I give an 8 out of 10. All right, so that's my supercharger review. I found out they're going to be having a bowling alley inside the mall too, so you can go bowling. I want to thank you, Zach and Jesse, for all the hard work you do informing everybody on electric cars and clean energy. So this is Travis Roman coming to you from Temecula, California, and now you know.